it's a show of shame that this kind of thing should happen here now. They should allow the man to exercise his authority. They elected him as a governor. They should allow him to exercise his authority as a governor. This call now is unwarranted. They should allow the man to exercise his authority.
We are not surprised at the turn of events because the APC in Rivers had clearly stated that this was purely a third-term agenda, and that the PDP and its candidate, who happens to be the sitting governor, did not have a blueprint for the development of the state. And so we are not surprised at all. It is only about the timing that we're being surprised about.
Wike should allow those people to breathe fresh air and concentrate on the FCT position he's holding. Right now, as we speak today, I have dislocation because my leadership, under my leadership, the Southside Youth Initiative, we decided today to pay our support to this, the governor of Rivers State, Fubara. We don't work with him. We have never been part of him. We have never been part of his government. But we are not happy about the situation that is passing through.